Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. So now I will show you the technique how to answer this one. So we have two intervals in here. From 0 to 2 we have this one. If x is greater than number 2 we got this one. So we need to find the interval from 0 to 2, from 0 to 4, and from number 1 to number 6. So now I will show you the technique how to answer this one. Before we calculate the interval in here, we need to find the interval of this one. So we need to put the negative inside the bracket, so that this one we change positive to the negative. So we go about negative 2x. This one we go about positive x squared. So we need to add number 1. So later that we need to minus number 1. We have the negative number 1 with the negative sign in here, so we put outside, and you will go about positive. Next, 1 minus 2x plus x squared, you will go about x minus 1 to the power of 2. Next, we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we will about x minus 1 equal to sin t, dx equal to cosine t dt. So before we calculate this one, we just calculate the integral of number 2 in here. So that should be about 2x plus the integral of this one. X minus 1 we change to sin t. Dx we change for this one. Next, we have sin t squared plus cosine t squared equals to number 1. So we got about 1 minus sin t squared equal to cosine t squared. So we put cosine t squared in here. The square root of cosine t squared, you got about cosine t. Cosine t multiplied with cosine t, you got about cosine t squared. Next, we have cosine t squared equal to 1 plus cosine 2t over 2. And we put this one in here. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of 1 over 2, you got about t over 2. The integral of cosine 2t over 2, you got about 1 over 4 sine 2t. And now we put about c is about constant. About t, we need to change back for this one. So we got about t equal to r sine of x minus 1. We put this one in here and here. Later that we combine 2x in here. So now we're going to answer this one. We have the interval from 0 to 2. We know that's the interval from 0 to 2, so we just calculate the interval of this one only. So because we just get about the result from here, so we put back in here and we just put about 0 and 2. So you got about 8 plus b over 2. Next we have this one. So that should be about the interval from 0 to 2 and 2 to 4. This one we just calculate, that's it about this one. And the next one, that should be about 2 over 4. And f of s from s is greater than number 2, that should be about this one. And we got about 4s minus s squared over 2, everything from 2 to 4. That should be about number 2. And now the last one, we do the similar. So that's it from 1. So that's it 1 to 2, 2 to 6. We put this one in here, so we change 1 to 2 and we input the number in here, and that should be about a plus b over 4. And this one we just input this number back, and you got about 0 in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.